Do you know why I became a porno star? When I was 10 years old, my entire family fucked me under the Christmas tree.
And you're ready to go, so what else could I say? I think back, remember that you was a fine hoe. But who would ever think that you could be so low? I wake up in the morning with a burning itch. Damn, I never knew you was a dirty bitch.
Yeah, I broke the hips like a mic on my fist. All the ladies bow down when the alien bass hits. Disrespect to what I get when all gets in my hand. Like a geek turn roster, I'm not extended fans. Try to pitch my name, you're all insane. Glam seekers from the north, hardcore, but I'm to blame. And I saw do the rockin', drippin', and fixes in the bone, and now there's some drippin'. An angel in the making with the devil's back. You are so pure, makes me wanna endure. You are the cure of the loneliness in my picture. And as I see the stars, makes a good start. Heaven is a witness and now you're very far. As I do the wrong thing, rock and trippin', infectious to the bone, and now there's some living.
Damn, bitch, you really did me good. But every time I think about you, now I can't get word. Damn, bitch, what did you do to me? I should've put it in her ass and then just let it be, but no. It had to be like that, and if I had another chance, then I would take it back. Shit, I wish you knew that without getting that she's not a dirty ass bitch, and I know she'll be going back soon. And if I ever see that bitch, I'm gonna smack that hoe.
Guess I can't forget all the shit you gave me.
Prostitute, you wanna have my baby,
but I just don't deal with dirt to bitches.
And you only crawl back to me when I'm getting riches.